bricks and bottles hurled at the police. Officers chased, pinned on the road, beaten. Cemented barricades dismantled and ripped apart. A march to West Bengal State Secretariat Novano demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor at Calcutta state-run RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital was interspersed with anger, abuse, violence and vandalism.
আমরা দেখতে পেলাম পশ্চিমবঙ্গ ছাত্র সমাজের আন্দোলনের নামে একদল দুষ্কৃতীদের বেপরোয়া বেলাগাম বিশৃঙ্খল তাণ্ডব।
At least 36 police personnel were grievously injured. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's administration, seemingly prepared for the march, were forced to fire water cannons and tear gas shells in at least 6 locations across Calcutta. So how did the students' march to Novano take this violent turn? We break it down for you. On August 27, the planned political march by at least 2 student organizations began rolling around noon with small gatherings of men and women. But in no time, the crowd under the banner of Paschim Bongo Chhatra Samaj and Sangrami Jyotho Mancho swelled. Describing the Novano Abhijan illegal, Calcutta police had deployed restraining measures, including barricades with bamboo poles, spikes, guardrails, and an assembly of cargo containers in the residential area around Novano. Their only aim to stop the protesters from reaching anywhere close to where the Chief Minister was attending office. As the violence unleashed and unraveled through the hour, protesters seemed to sideline the original cause of the protest. The agitators demanding Mamata's resignation also went on to hint that the anger was against her appeasement of Muslims. A day before, the Calcutta police had made preventive arrests of 25 people based on specific information and evidence.
আমরা গ্রেফতার করেছি অস্ত্র নিয়ে, বোমা নিয়ে, অস্ত্র মানে আগ্নেয়াস্ত্র, অস্ত্র নিয়ে, বোমা নিয়ে, গুলি নিয়ে আজকে এইখানে একটা অশান্ত পরিবেশ তৈরি করার পরিকল্পনা ছিল।
But was Calcutta police actually able to foil the plot ready to unfold on the streets? In Babughat and Howrah, officers were seen chased away by a swelled crowd. In Shatragachi, a group of protesters shook steel hurdles, wrenched the steel rods off and made a passageway. At Howrah Moidan, protesters threw iron guardrails as missiles targeted the police. A singled-out officer was pinned down and beaten by a mob until he was rescued. He was later seen with a blood-soaked cloth tied around his head. To resort to the cat-and-mouse game being played at the foot of Howrah Bridge, Howrah Moidan, Foreshore Road, part of Hastings in Calcutta and Shialda, cops had to unleash tear gas shells, tear grenades and water cannons. And the old trusted ways of lathi charge.
ব্যারিকেড ভাঙা, গার্ডরেল উল্টোনো, পুলিশের দিকে লাঠি, সোটা, বোতল বৃষ্টি, অনর্গল লাগাতার ইট পাথর বৃষ্টি, সরকারি সম্পত্তি ভাঙচুর, পুলিশকে মারধর করা, পুলিশকে রক্তাক্ত করা, আহত করা, গাড়ি জ্বালিয়ে দেয়া।
Calcutta police arrested over 220 people on charges of attacking and assaulting police personnel, damaging public property and arson.
Had we not made those preventive arrests yesterday based on specific intelligence inputs that we had shared in yesterday's press conference, then the situation today could have been much worse, putting the lives of common people in grave danger.
And yet, the spilling of blood of protesters and cops could not be avoided. Photographs of suspected protesters seen hurling stones were posted on social media, with Calcutta police seeking help from residents to identify them. Mayhem unfolding on the streets of Calcutta, a political slugfest was already underway over affiliation of the group spearheading the march. The 10-day-old Chhatra Samaj was led by 2 known RSS and BJP functionaries. So the Trinamool Congress had already labelled the rally as a conspiracy to cause chaos on the streets. Additionally, youth counterparts of Congress and Left and students and independent organizations of the medical fraternity already distanced themselves from the rally.
অভিযানের সঙ্গে আমাদের কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই, তাদের মন, তাদের পলিটিক্যাল ব্যাপার, তার সঙ্গে আমাদের এই আন্দোলনের কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই। আমরা একটাই চাই, জাস্টিস, সুইফট জাস্টিস।
Emerging on the scene at the very end, BJP leaders attempted a march towards Calcutta Police Headquarters at Lal Bazar and called for a Bengal Bandh the very next day.
আজকে বন্ধ রেখে দিয়েছে বিজেপি জেনে শুনে, কারণ ওদের ডেড বডি চাই। আমরা শান্তি চাই, আমরা বিচার চাই, আমরা দোষী ব্যক্তির শাস্তি চাই, ফাঁসি চাই। আর দোষী ব্যক্তি যাতে ফাঁসি না হয়, বিচারের বাণী যাতে নীরবে নিভৃতে কাঁদে, ওরা কিন্তু আন্দোলনটাকে জল ঢেলে দিয়ে আসল আন্দোলন থেকে চক্রান্তের খেলায় নেমেছে, বাংলাকে বদনাম করার খেলায় নেমেছে। আমি তাদের ধিক্কার জানাই।
Honorable Court has said that anybody who is doing a peaceful protest against Arjikor incident, you cannot take an action. Then how come Kolkata police has been firing gas shells and tear gas shells and, these water cannons? Why?
It is so shameful what the BJP RSS is doing. Who has asked them to do all this? The movement is for justice for the RG Kaur girl, for the junior doctor. Now the BJP is making itself the victim. Now the whole thing is about the poor BJP and the RSS and the so-called Chhatra Samaj. The BJP RSS has never ever in its history been involved in any women's movements for justice.
The Navano Obhijan protest, thwarted by the Calcutta police, became one of the many demonstrations fueling a momentum of agitation in West Bengal.
वो आगे और भी आगे बढ़े, ये आंदोलन जोर से जोर करे और गवर्नमेंट जो कोशिश कर रहा है उसको मिटाने का कोशिश करे, हमको जस्टिस, अच्छा जस्टिस मिले।
But Calcutta streets witness to decades of political violence would rarely have seen so many skirmishes fought at so many places simultaneously as on August 27.